gas. You can go to 7-Eleven. I know Family Dollar still won it because Dollar General we stopped doing it because they were shutting down. Yeah, oh, I got it. I got it on the 46.
Now I know the difference. I guess the more weed you got packed in that joint, the more high you get. Cause I ain't been this high in so long. We ain't do this since the 90s. You know, that's what happens when you smoke with a YN. You know, I guess they roll the whole dime or the whole eight, but they might roll the whole ounce in one joint. I don't know. Whatever it is, no one they be wilding like that. They be so high, smoking that big, whatever, finger is like a whole thumb. It be little as hell, but it's like smoking a cigar. Oh my God. I'm never smoking like that with my nephew again. Got me all cockeyed and shit. Yo, they ain't want to make fun of my little blunt. I smoke blunt fields. He said, what is crack in here? I said, no, it's weed. He said, that's all paper. You know, I preserve. I worry about tomorrow. Y'all young. Y'all probably don't worry about tomorrow because y'all be toting them guns and shit. I'm an OG. I'm out. I don't be one to get that high. I'm paranoid in my own room. I'm paranoid. I'm looking at this way. I know it's not behind me, but it feel like somebody's watching me. And I don't know why he's watching me. Yo, don't be smoking with these YNs. If your tolerance ain't up like that, you smoking them little pencils. They smoke. What was that? Not it wasn't a blunt bill. It was like I can't even think straight. Blunt. Damn, what was it called again? I forget what it's called. What they rolled it in. Whatever it was, it packed a lot of weed. It had to be an eighth in that motherfucker. Maybe 2 eighths. Maybe 4. What y'all trying to do? Like y'all trying to go to Mars? God damn. We didn't even do it like that. My heart hurt and shit. Yo, I'm 44. I'm high as a motherfucker. Pardon me. This is content. This is the difference. Smoking little twigs and they little motherfuckers.